Here are some benefits of fenugreek and flaxseed. Fenugreek helps regulate blood sugar levels, may increase milk production in breastfeeding mothers, contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, may help reduce menstrual cramps, may help reduce cholesterol levels. Flaxseed may help lower the risk of some cancers, help maintain a healthy weight, and reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Rich in protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, may help protect against cancer, may help reduce inflammation, may help regulate blood sugar levels. Ingredients: fenugreek, flaxseed,